Hey,
Hello, potato. Oh, they're massive now.
Yeah, they got all their feathers.
Oh, well done. Well done. Hello.
Oh, should have a stretch.
Hello.
There's 3 chickens in there.
That's potato.
Yeah.
And the middle one is
Pistachio. And then
pistachio.
The back, do you see at the back?
Yeah.
Piccolo at the back.
But I don't understand. So what?
See here, look, I'll show you. Do you want to see this one?
Hello. Hello. Did you know that chickens have got better eyesight than their colour spectrum than all of us?
But not at night time. They haven't got very good night vision.
And also, they are descendants of the dinosaurs.
Yeah, they walk like dinosaurs.
Yeah. Oh, potato, what do you like? You should be wearing a hat.
Hey, look, potato.
Oh, their feathers look amazing now. Hello. And this is?
Piglet.
Piglet. Oh, this is the main one. This is the big one. Hello, Piglet.
Oh, Piglet.
Is Tiago C. Palace here? Hello. Hello, Piglet. Hello, Piglet.
Piglet.
Oh, you okay? Oh, look at the feathers. She's looking absolutely amazing now. Hello, Piglet. How are you?
Who's your good girl? Who's your good girl?
Diego C. Palace here, introducing young Piglet. You should not be out at this time having a little peck. No, you can't go over there because we're going to put you somewhere else in a minute. Oh, just lovely.